Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Lycamobile not network connection. So if your Lycamobile SIM shows the network connection is not there or you suddenly lost the signal, don't worry, this is a very common issue and usually it is very easy to fix. So first of all, you just have to open the settings of your device. Now in the settings, you are going to see the first option of the airplane mode. So you just have to turn this toggle button on, or you need to turn on the airplane mode. Afterwards, you just have to wait for 10 seconds and then you just have to turn it back off. So this particular step is going to force your phone to reconnect to the nearest network tower. Afterwards, you just have to basically look for the option of the mobile network. In the mobile network, look for the option of the automatic network selection. So when you are able to find it, simply disable it. Now you need to manually choose a network from the list. Select the strongest available supported network, and sometimes the automatic mode fails, especially in the weak coverage areas. So this is the second thing that you need to do in the settings. Now if none of the method works for you, you can just simply check two important things. First is make sure that you are with the Lycamobile coverage. Confirm that your SIM is active and it is not suspended. The inactive or the blocked SIMs cannot connect to any of the networks. But if you are able to find that your network coverage is there and everything is working properly, you can just simply restart your phone. For that, you just have to press the power button. Afterwards, simply swipe to the up and select the option of restart. So after restarting your device, you just have to basically wait for some time until you see the network connection available or until the problem is solved. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.